Step 1. Write the text you want animated. Handwritten fonts with minimal overlapping paths tend to look the best. Step 2. Click the text, then use the pen tool to mask the middle of the text. You can draw as many masks as you need, just make sure they follow the same pattern as if you were writing the text by hand. This is usually the most difficult aspect of the animation, but it doesn't need to be perfect. You can always come back and adjust these paths later. Step 3. Generate the animation effect by selecting the text object, then going to Effect, Generate, Stroke. This should automatically bring up the effects panel. Step 4. Increase the brush size in the effect panel until it fully covers the text. Make sure the mask color is different than your text color to make this part easier. Simply drag the slider until the text is fully covered. Step 5. Set the effect options. Check the box for all masks and stroke sequentially, and then set the paint style to reveal original image. Step 6. Set the keyframes. Start by making sure your timeline is where you want the animation to start. Then click the end stopwatch in the effects panel and set it to 0%. From there, you can move the timeline to where you want the animation to finish, and this time set the end attribute to 100%. This will set the keyframes and cause each letter to be revealed sequentially, which we can see by scrubbing the timeline slider backwards. Now go ahead and click play, and the animation is pretty much done at this point. Step 7. Keyframe easing. This part is optional, but you can refine the timing of the animation by selecting all of the end keyframe markers with Shift-click, then hit Ctrl-Shift-K to bring up the keyframe velocity screen. Change the values from 30 to 70 or whatever looks good to you, and you're all set. The end.